Happy birthday! Hi, BFF. Happy birthday. I wish you that be a good girl. Like me, I'm a good girl now. Then, I hope that more blessings to come. And more birthdays to come. Thank you so much. Kaya nga no, ikaw ang nag-guide sa kuha katong pag-abot man ako diri sa Denmark. Thank you. Hindi lang kumukhay. I love you, BFF. Bye-bye.
Hi Del, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come and stop thinking too much. And happy birthday. Wala ay.
Happy birthday. Thank you kay kanang na-met ka as my friend. Nag-enjoy ka sa ako ang pag-stay diri with you and with our Himken girls. More blessings to come and take care of yourself always. Birthday again.
Happy birthday Adela. God bless you always. And thank you sa pag-sponsor sa among mga weekends and panghatag og kiki. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Del.
Happy birthday. Kung wala ka, dili ko maapil ani nga grupo. Daghan kayong salamat Del sa imong tawag sa ako, text sa ako kung ahan ako, nagpadulong. Kay kung wala jud ka nag-text sa ako wala jud Lisa diri karon. Walay grupo ninyo na Lisa nga tabian kayo. I hope you have more blessings to come. God bless you always and be a good girl always. Bye bye.